Well, here we are at the Roadhouse, Route 66. We're gonna go in here and try some Southern Flair food. Hi guys, it's girl Yammi, and yep, we're coming here. We're gonna check this out. We're gonna see how it is, and we're gonna let you guys know all about it. Oh, watch out for the car. Oh, look at the rubber duckies. Oh, I want one of these duckies. They're huge. And then they got a bunch of little duckies over here. All right, so we get in there and we get set. They tell us they stopped taking orders at 2:30. It is 2:24 now. And so that means we would have to look at the menu and get our order in within the next 6 minutes in order to be fed. Or we would have to come back at 3:30 when they open up for the steak side. So we left. All right, so our day kind of got changed up. Oh, gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
So we're stopping at a 7-Eleven.
Actually, I wasn't stopping in there, but
you're not stopping in here? Okay.
Yeah, I can stop at a place, but I came around this way only because, yeah, you're gonna fucking stop. Well, I'm sorry.
You guys heard Boo get a little crusty. He got a little crusty going on there. You got crusty going on? What the hell is crusty anyways?
Yeah, you better.
We're making up new words now. There we go. All right, so we found a pizza place. We called them. They're open inside dining, so we decided, well, let's have pizza, right, Boo?
Yeah.
Why not? We'll have pizza. But look at, if you want to go get your psychic reading, it's upstairs. There's an elevator. Thank you very much. Hi.
How are you signing in?
Good, yes. Alright, so we ordered some garlic knots, and it comes with marinara sauce, but look at this. Ooh. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, these garlic knots.
There you go.
No problem. That's pretty tasty.
Is it?
Yeah. Pretty tasty. Thanks. So now let's try the top, the good stuff. See all that good yummy stuff on there? Really soft on the inside.
These are
really good.
These are called garlic knots.
Because they're shaped like knots.
Yeah, Bob. So one of the ones that we've gotten in the past, they were a lot smaller. These are like in a rows. These should be called garlic rows.
I know the marinara sauce is hot. Are you trying to play a game on there? You need an ink pen for the crossword? I guess if you get too bored, you can always read it.
This one right here, 21 down, Cleveland's Lake. That should say E-R-I-E.
Huron, yeah. Or Lake Erie.
Yeah. And then Sandler of Big Daddy. That should be Adam. What about Flip Flop?
Sandal.
S-A-N, no. S-H-O, no.
Shoes?
Yeah, if it's shoes, yeah, S-H-O-E-S.
What's 19?
Pro or con.
Pro or con?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? It's a 3-letter word. And? And or? I don't know.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, if you get bored, you can do that. Alright, so we already put pizza on our plate. So
Yeah,
we're
I
gonna
didn't
give
get
it
a
a try.
chance to take a picture of it before we got all
Yeah.
mixed up.
Yeah.
Put a pizza back in there.
Boo forgot to get a picture of it. We'll get it together where we won't.
I forgot to get the picture of it?
Yeah.
No, you were freaking crazy baby lady over here.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Don't believe him. Don't believe him. I'm hoping that the music's not too loud. And I get copyrighted, so. The ham is good. The ham is real good. It's pretty good pizza. So far. Alright, so we ate all the pizza except for one piece. And some garlic nuts to go. But definitely a keeper here. She gave us a menu to go. So, yeah, they got lunch menus. So they got some really good deals here. So, since this is on the way home from the park, we got a pizza place now. So we really, really enjoyed it. Boost, the only problem was we did not get a big enough pizza.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So there's a bar here too. So if you want to come in and have a drink, you can. Nice size restaurant. Whatever you do, don't take the elevator. Right, Boo? You don't know where that elevator's going to take you. It might take you to the Tower of Terror. Ooh, what do you think? Tower of Terror?
On this?
Yeah. It was sounding like it inside the restaurant, like somebody was doing something. So, this restaurant, this pizza, Boo, out of 10, what would you give this place?
For just the taste, or what? Are you talking about just for the taste of the pizza? Or
Yeah, the
everything?
taste of the pizza in our experience, the whole kind of...
I mean, honestly, I was really happy with it. So I would give it a 10, I think.
You give it a 10 out of 10? Nothing you would have changed?
Not really, I mean...
Maybe make the pizza a little bit bigger? No, that's not us. We have to order a bigger pizza then. So we definitely know next time not to get a medium, we'll get a bigger pizza.
Yeah.
But no garlic nuts. They were good, but don't eat that bread all the time.
Yeah,
Maybe try something else, like maybe the mozzarella sticks or poppers or something, you know?
Well, you got to make sure you tell yourself that.
That I don't need the bread?
The garlic knots, because you get full.
But they're just so good.
They look more like garlic rolls and not knots, because them things are huge.
And they were nice and soft, and ooh, the bread kind of melted in your mouth good. You know, when the bread can melt in your mouth, you know it's a good bread. Right? Right.
Well, you did say you wish that it would have had more garlic on it.
Yeah, it needed more garlic on it. That's when I would just say extra garlic. Please, extra garlic. And then nobody would touch me.
I was okay with it because it wasn't, I don't like the
overpowering garlic taste. Yeah.
When you go to talk and all you're doing is you're smelling garlic on your face. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that was you.
Okay. That's enough ugly looks. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do now. Our whole day just kind of changed from what we wanted to do to what we ended up doing, but we'll figure out something.
I still want to find an ottoman.
Oh yeah, we gotta look for an ottoman still. Alright, so we're gonna hit up a couple stores.
Thrift stores.
Yeah.
Little man bougie, but he ain't that bougie.
Little man's bougie?
Yeah, he bougie, but he ain't that bougie.
Yeah, little man is bougie. So, what are your plans for Memorial Day? We're gonna just stay at home, I think. Or maybe even go to the movies. You never know. What do you want to do, boo?
Just kind of relax and yeah, it wouldn't be bad. Seeing a movie would be nice. We haven't been to the movie since we've seen, I almost said that Ghostbusters movie, but we've seen something after that though. Get what it was. But we did see something.
Avatar.
Yeah, that's who he was.
That's what we've seen.
But I want to go see some hot butter popcorn too.
You just want the popcorn.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie.
Have to check out and see where it's playing. Donna's gonna come hang with us on Memorial Day, so
we want to go see at least what was it, the Little Mermaid?
Little Mermaid.
Oh, we do want to see Guardians still.
I want to see Guardians.
Although there's been some mixed reviews on it, but
well, we are judge of that.
And I think before we go see it, maybe we need to check out that on Disney Plus, that Guardians Holidays or something it's called. I never even knew of it until I heard someone else talking about it. I mean, we've seen the first two.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I mean, I guess you don't necessarily have to see the holiday ones, but uh-oh.
Donna's calling. All right, so we are home. You coming up here, Bubba? You want to say hello? Hey, Obi. Say hello. All right, forget him then. Don't say hello. See back here. You guys might, but see back here. Pizza was good. We will definitely be hitting that pizza place up again. Can I help you with something? Nosy. Smelling my shirt. He's like, I know you went out to eat. I know you went and got pizza. So yeah, pizza place good. That other place, I don't know if I want to go back to that place. I think I'm gonna go ahead and send that one off. You know, like, no, it's not one I need to go back to. They kind of threw us off, and instead of saying, you know, we close here in 8 minutes, they're like, you can take your order real quick, you can get some food. I'm like, what? I didn't know what I wanted, and it would take me longer than 4 minutes to figure out what I want. So, just say forget it. So we got the pizza instead, and that turned out to be a good thing. And now we are just kind of sitting at home, gonna get ready tomorrow to get some groceries and that, so I can get cooking for Memorial Day. I'm not doing a lot, just doing some ribs. I got some wingdings I'm gonna put in the oven. I've got baked beans and my cheesy potatoes. And strawberry shortcake for dessert. I think that will work. I think that would be really tasty. So, alright guys. As always, thank you for being here. And we love you all. Obi does too. And he's just laying here. He loves you too. Bye.